Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome or welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my year of savings. I have $100 in prop money, so let's get started. How are you guys doing today? Let's get started with our every Friday. So this Friday is October 10th, so let's get that colored in. And this goes towards extra payment towards debt, so $10. So we got $13 so far. And next is the weekly savings created by Norella's Budgets. And I am rolling a D8 to determine how much I'm saving for this week. Oh, $1. Another $1. And this goes towards my son's senior year. Should I do one more time? Let's do one more time. Yeah, let's do. Ooh. Another one. Oh, wow. Well, I tried. So $2. Is that a one? Yeah, that's a one. So $2 going in for this week. All right, and let's go to Say with Judy. And this also go towards his senior year. And we are going to do 2 goes for $10. Let's do the spooky ghost. So $10. And it saves a total of $300. And, oh, I forgot to make a dashboard. Oops. We are going to do this challenge. I created this for my son's senior year also. You can find this in my Etsy and in my Kofi. And what I'm going to do is roll a 20-sided die to see how much we are going to save. And we got the hot 20. So let's go ahead and just shade in this 20 here. Perfect. So we got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So $20. I need to make a dashboard to go in here. So $20. All right. Next we have say 2025 and 2025. This is created by the Almost Organized Aisle, and I think I was starting off with 50 in here. Oops, calm down. So 50, I think I was doing the 26 and 24. Yes, $50. And this is going towards taxes. Unfortunately, part of being an adult, I guess. So let's do 24. Perfect. And then I said 26. So let's do a red. Should we do red? No. Let's do, I don't know. Let's do a purple. A violet. All right, that is $50. And let's see how much money we got left. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I do have an 8 there. Should I just do 8? When I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the lowest. Okay. Well, let's do $58. Let's go ahead and do the 8. I was going to try to put some money into this fill the jar. I might work on that next time, but since I got the 8, let's go ahead and do this 8 here. Go ahead and do orange. Perfect. And I'm still thinking about revamping this binder. Haven't made a decision what I'm going to do, but that was just a quick, easy saving for my year of saving. And I am almost completed with this, which is great. So I'm just going to try to knock this side down and start scratching. That's the plan. All right, gems. Thank you so much, everyone, for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.